Okay, so you know how they say that you can't fix stupid? Well, that was me this morning. I totally smooshed my fingernail in the door at the gym. RockTape to the rescue because it hurts and I don't want it to totally get super black. So tape usually comes in the 2-inch roll. I took the 2-inch portion and chopped it about in thirds. Then I rounded the edges. I went a little more narrow on this edge because RockTape works and plays really well with fingernails. So I take one edge off and I'm gonna put it on my fingernail itself. Okay, and then you just peel it back. Watch me, I can't do it in the mirror. Hopefully not doing any gestures, right? And then we have tape, all right? That's gonna help my pain and inflammation. Boom. Hey, just checking in, letting you know about how this kinesiology tape works in that it's been on one day. And when you put it on your fingers, it does get a lot of use, right? I wash my hands a lot. I'm doing a lot with my hands. It frays a little bit here. So that's okay. It's still sticking. It's still on. It doesn't bother me. I think I move a lot when I sleep too. My hand under my pillow and stuff like that. But leave it on as long as it stays on. I've cut some strings off, things like that, but totally helped my pain from smashing my finger yesterday. Check it out. Hey guys, I am updating you on day 2, going into day 3 of having RockTape on my finger from smashing it. It's doing really well considering. It's fraying a lot. I actually took some scissors and cut some of the frays off, left-handed frays off. Be careful, it was a little tricky, but it's still helping. I'm thinking about maybe taking it off because it's staying a little bit dirty, but I'm curious to know what the bruise is doing underneath. So this is like, what, 40, 50 some hours of leaving this on, getting my hands wet, washing it, showering, doing all those sorts of things. So something great for decreasing your pain and decreasing your inflammation. Really cool stuff if you get bumped or bruised. Okay, the big reveal from smashing my finger and then putting tape on it. Removal of tape is something to what, if you're hairy in the area, you want to do it when it's wet and in the shower. But you always want to pull it directly back against itself. Don't pull up because it's going to hurt more if you are perpendicular to the skin. Pull it flat back, okay? And then it rubs right off. It was getting really wretched, but I haven't seen it yet. Okay, it moved my bruise for sure. It's not nearly as black as I thought it might have been. And it totally helped my pain right away. So I'd say that's a success. Try it out next time for your bumps and bruises, aches and pains. I do love RockTape. Try it out.